fishing.
We gotta go fishing. We have to go
Got the
fishing.
gang up here today. We going fishing, y'all.
My name
CJ, got Paris,
And we got Princess.
and we got Princess.
This is my sister. My name's CJ.
And it's about to go up
We
on
gonna
YouTube. Y'all stay tuned.
That's
Like,
until we get them.
share, comment,
and
subscribe.
like button.
And we out. Stay tuned.
Something? Yeah.
Oh, you ain't catch nothing yet.
Can I see? What's up, vlog? What's up, vlog? Today we're gonna be banging.
It's Jax.
Gonna be bringing in big fish.
Yeah, and we got the Big Gill Fishing Channel.
Big Gill Fishing Channel, welcome. Y'all tell them, like
Comment, subscribe,
and share.
and hit that notification bell.
Yup. So we all here fishing, y'all. A little Paris like y'all.
We all got
Trying to see if we could hit on something. Got 4 poles out.
5. 1, 2, 1. Wait, Paris, where yours at? 1, 2.
It's right there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 poles out, Daddy.
Got my girl over there on the phone.
Chris, you forgot how fishing rod right here.
No, it's in the water.
Oh. Hey, vlog. What, right now?
Yes. Yeah. You going?
Oh my gosh.
How you pull it?
Ooh.
You got it?
Yup.
A little catfish.
Alright.
Yeah, fish. I caught you.
Hold on, CJ.
I caught you, fish. I caught that
Hold
fish.
up, baby. Let him FaceTime out. He caught a catfish. A catfish. Uh-huh.
That's up.
Uh-huh.
Hey, how you doing, baby? Good catch, CJ. Good catch. Give me a dap. Good catch,
Hold
big
on,
boy.
CJ, with the fish. Hold on, let me take a picture. So I can send the TT.
I can't.
Gotta wind it up.
Oh.
Wind it up.
I am.